In the early 1590s, a grave lack of wheat caused a famine in Italy. This happened after several years of heavy rains during harvest season. In 1591, Giovanni Battista Segni published his Discorso sopra la carestia e fame, which means Discourse about famine and hunger, in which he examines traditional alternatives to wheat and how to include them into the diet. Several pages deal exclusively with the question how to stretch wheat flour to make more bread from it. He doesn't delve into the question of leavening agents, therefore I am opting for sourdough. I've picked 3 of his proposals to prepare 3 kinds of Segni's hunger breads. First, chestnut-pumpkin bread. Chestnuts have been a poor man's food for a long time and, especially in the Alpine region, played an important role in many people's nutrition. Pumpkins had only recently been introduced in Europe from the Americas and were quickly gaining popularity. Alternatively, Segni proposes to include apples, pears, or turnips. Second, rice and wheat bread. The water-loving rice had apparently fared better in surviving the torrential rains than wheat fields. Segni proposes to replace 10% of wheat with rice flour and to use warm water to knead the dough. Third, Locust flatbreads. Segni describes how on the Arabian Peninsula and in Libya, bread was baked from ground locusts, and that both Moses and St. John the Baptist used to eat this kind of preparation in the desert, the latter with honey. Cricket flour is available in some health or ethnic stores, so I am going to use this in a ratio of about 20% cricket flour and 80% wheat. Serve with honey if you like.